Hello everyone, welcome to my Fluency Journey channel. And today I am again bringing this Hindi to English translation of some daily use sentences. So yeah, we gonna do this in ChatGPT, right? So let's start. The first sentence is मैं इस समय बहुत व्यस्त हूँ. I am very busy. I am busy right now. I am very busy right now. Right? उसने मुझे बिना बताए सब कुछ कर लिया. He does everything. he does he did everything right, क्योंकि कर लिया. He did everything without asking me बिना without asking or without uh, बताना. Without, what is बताना is, right? Batana is like how you can say something to without saying me. Without saying to me, like without saying to me, right? Say to me. क्या तुमने मेरी बात मानी? Did you apply my did you follow what I said, right? बाहर बहुत ठंड है, स्वेटर पहन लो. uh, Outside is cold, is chilly. Outside is chilly. So wear sweaters. मुझे तुम्हारा जवाब का इंतजार रहेगा. I will be I will इंतजार करना. I will wait for your answer. I will wait for your रहेगा. इंतजार होगा नहीं, रहना, रहेगा, रहा होगा, रही होगी. I will be waiting, right? I will be waiting. I'll be waiting for your answers. Waiting for your answer. Okay. The seventh one is, नहीं, the sixth one is, मैंने उससे ये सवाल पहले पूछा था. I asked him that question. Firstly, I asked him. I asked him that question, right? I think that question. क्या तुम्हें ये जगह पसंद आई? Did do you like that place? Do you like that place? मैं कोशिश कर रहा हूँ लेकिन समझ नहीं आ रहा है. I am trying, but what we can say, लेकिन, okay, लेकिन is uh, but I am not able to understand. But I'm not able to understand. Okay, मैं तुम्हारे साथ हूँ, चिंता मत करो. I am with you. Don't worry, right? So now let's check with ChatGPT, and he will provide me some good vocabularies and some fluent English sentences. So yeah, go. Okay, I'm very busy right now. It's correct. He did everything without saying to me. Without telling me, okay, without telling me. मुझे बिना बताए. Telling and saying are two different verbs. So we say tell someone, not to say to someone. Say is without an object. Okay. Did you follow what I said? Did you listen to what I said? Or can work, but it's more natural to say, did you listen to me? Or did you do what I told you? Oh, wow, crazy. Did you do what I tell you? Did you listen to me? Okay. What's the Hindi? क्या तुमने मेरी बात मानी? Did you listen to me? Okay. It's very cold outside. Wear a sweater. It's to describe it. Outside actually is like rubbish, nonsensical English, right? It is very cold outside. Okay, vocabulary depth chilly, pleasantly good, and phrasing extremely good. Okay. I will be waiting for your answers. I will be waiting for your answer. I will be waiting for your answer, not answers. Okay. Answers is plural, but your answer is better than this asking multiple questions. Your sentence. Firstly, I asked him that question. I asked him that question first. I asked him that question first. Firstly is used in lists. Firstly, secondly, okay. So, I think I need to remember that we should reverse the directions. Okay. Your okay. Do you like that place? Perfect. I am trying, but I am not able to understand. But I can't understand. I'm not able to understand as grammatically okay, but can't is more natural in speech. I'm trying, but I can't understand. Okay, it's like yeah, more fluent and more natural, right? I am good with you. Don't worry, it is right. What is it? Okay. So there are two words: saying to me and telling me, because I am always not able to pick a good verb. So yeah, telling me, okay, follow what I said or listen to me. Outside is silly, it's chilly outside. Your answer, okay. Firstly, I ask first. Not able to understand, can't understand. Okay, so yeah, it's a good. Let's play tomorrow's, oh sorry, yesterday's learning and revise these learnings. Okay, मुझे नहीं पता था कि अब क्या करना है. I don't know what to do next. Okay, I don't know what to do next is I don't know what to do. What to do now? I don't know. I don't know what to do now. I don't know what to do next. Correct version. Yes, and I don't know what to do next. I don't know what to do next. This is correct, right? Actually, fine. It's commonly spoken as next now. Okay. क्या तुमने कभी विदेश यात्रा की है? Have you traveled internationally? I think. Have you traveled internationally? Have you gone to foreign? Have you ever gone to foreign? Have you ever traveled abroad? Okay. Have you ever traveled abroad? क्या तुमने कभी is have you ever? Okay, right. You have been to a foreign country. Okay. So I think I will create a list where I have to write to like क्या तुमने कभी is like have you ever. मैं उस मैं उससे बहुत दिनों से नहीं मिला हूँ. Okay, so I haven't. Okay, I haven't right. I do not have contacted him. I haven't met him. I haven't met him for many days. Okay. मैं उसे बहुत ध्यान से नहीं मिला. I haven't met for many days. कृपया मेरी बात ध्यान से. Please listen to me carefully. Okay, it's correct, right? Please listen to my words carefully. Listen to me carefully. That's right. Yeah, I am frightening. I am frightened, right? Have you lost your phone? Have you misplaced your phone? Right. Let me find a solution to this problem. He transformed quickly. He changed quickly. He changed very quickly. This work is not easy as it looks. I believe that everything will be fine, right? So, okay, let's create a page where okay, let's create some page where I will add what I learned so far. So learnings. Okay, learning. Okay, now I will create this learning page for you, or for me also, for me by the way. And thank you so much. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.